Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 5 different companies that are looking to hire you remotely. The first company is from Agent Brandy Smith. They're looking for a social media manager. He pays from $63,600 all the way to $365,000 per year. Build social media profiles and content across all social media platforms for an insurance and real estate agent. Build your own schedule. $10 per qualified insurance lead, minimum of 80 leads per month, 40 have to be auto. $75 per qualified real estate lead, minimum of 60 leads per month. This job is either full-time or part-time, pays from $63,600 to $365,000 per year. It offers a flexible schedule with the option of you self-determine your schedule. Supplemental pay has some bonus pays, and at least 1 year of social media strategy is preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job for you. This next opportunity is from the company Boldify. They're looking for an engagement specialist. It pays $12 to $15 an hour. Social media engagement specialist. This is remote. Boldify is looking for a part-time social media engagement specialist to run our Instagram account. As the engagement specialist for Boldify, it will be your responsibility to implement relevant strategies to grow our Instagram account. All of the design content will be provided to you by our team's designer, and captions copywriting training will be available. As the engagement specialist, you will be responsible for researching hashtags, scheduling posts, creating captions, coordinating with our team designer to create visual content that grows our account. No experience required for this position. However, passion is non-negotiable. Some relevant skills include social media engagement, social media marketing, research, and copywriting. The pay is $15 an hour, 20 hours a month to start, and it is part-time. Some of the benefits include flexible schedule and employee discount, self-determined schedule with some weekend availability, and this is a fully remote position. If you would like to apply for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. This next opportunity is also from the company Boldify. They're looking for an affiliate specialist. Pays $10 to $15 an hour. Boldify is looking for a part-time affiliate marketing specialist to recruit and manage our digital planner influencer program. As the affiliate specialist for Boldify, it will be your responsibility to research, target, and reach out to relevant influencers to sell our digital goal-setting planner. All of the initial marketing materials will be provided to you during training, but you will be expected to coordinate with our team's designer to create more materials as needed. The affiliate specialist will also be responsible for training and onboarding new influencers to the program. All candidates will need to be comfortable with public speaking to facilitate this role. No experience is required for this position, however, passion is non-negotiable. So relevant skills include email copywriting, social media sales, social media outreach, presenting, and content creation. This job pays $10 to $15 an hour plus bonus structure. 30 hours a month to start. It is part-time, includes employee discount and flexible schedule with a self-determined schedule and supplemental pay as a bonus pay. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. This next position is from the company The McClatchy Company, LLC. Account Coordinator. Pays $24 to $26 an hour. This position is 100% remote in the US. The account coordinator serves as a client advocate and proactive strategic resource for the account executive during the pre-sale and post-sales process. The account coordinator is a vital part of the team, from customer onboarding to monthly reporting and campaign renewal. The right candidate is skilled at being organized, working with the customer to gather needed information and meeting deadlines. The account coordinator reports to a client success director. A section of duties and responsibilities. Be positive, proactive resource for the account executive and client success strategist throughout the life of print and digital advertising campaigns. Be the primary point of contact for the client and internal resources on all assigned accounts. This includes order entry for print and digital and ad point, gather creative or other campaign assets as needed, assist with billing and other order account management responsibilities, work with the creative team to implement customer strategies, update media maps as needed, coordinate payments with OMT team, assist CSS with content approval for social media management, SEO and websites, assist with cancellations with budget shifts with all teams, OMT, performance and CSS, assist CSS reporting and build report templates monthly, submit research and inventory requests, assist in onboarding new clients and launching campaigns, working with CSS and performance team to launch and monitor digital advertising campaigns, be a true client advocate at every step of the process with clear and consistent written and verbal communication, manage campaign performance and customer expectations, work with team to identify upsells and growth opportunities, review campaign results, and make positive changes as needed, coordinate with internal work groups to solve problems. Require knowledge and skills and ability to productive and positive customers interaction in person, on the phone, or via email, analytical skills and attention to detail, ability to learn and adapt new technologies, strong written, verbal, and presentation skills, excellent interpersonal problem solving and team player skills, ability to interact professionally, build relationships, and develop sources with a diverse array of people, ability to work well with a professional and courteous demeanor with a variety of vendors, strategic partners, staff at all levels, and customers, computer proficiency, ability to work on a flex schedule, must be able to work remotely while contributing to a team environment, regular and reliable attendance. Digital marketing and software skills needed. Experience with a variety of digital marketing tactics, including social, SEO, SEM, display, and programmatic. Excellent analytical, quantitative reasoning, problem solving, creativity, and strategic skills. Experience implementing campaigns using Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. Advanced knowledge of campaign tracking strategy, including placement of pixels and other measurement software. Experience working with third-party vendors to fulfill customer campaigns. Google AdWords and Google Analytics certified. Experience with project management software and Google Suite products. Education and experience. Bachelor's degree from a 4-year college or university or the equivalent education, experience, skills, and knowledge needed to do this job. 2 years related in digital marketing experience and or training or equivalent combination of education and experience preferred. This job is full-time, pays $24 to $26 an hour. Benefits include 401k matching, dental insurance, disability insurance, employee assistance program, health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, and work from home. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we'll have the links right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's completely okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified so you can apply right away when you find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. The next job is from the company Think Medium. They're looking for a marketing and communications fellow, full-time or part-time. Pays $18 to $22 an hour. Think Medium provides a digital platform to explore critical and emerging issues. We customize original content through interviews and research. Think Medium uses various mediums, audio/video podcasts, stories, and interactive graphics to shape and deliver personalized healthcare leaders' insight. Our fellowship program is intended to be full-time for 1 year. This year, for the fellowship program will be a remote position. Fellows are paid up to $22 an hour. depending on the level of education achievement, job-related skills, knowledge, and ability. Fellows are placed in the marketing and communications team and will work closely with the CEO and senior leadership team on performing a variety of communications-related tasks and unique writing and research projects as assigned. In addition to substantive work with the teams, the fellowship program also includes networking and career development opportunities. Responsibilities for each fellow varies, but typical fellows search on guests and healthcare through leadership topic as needed, collect, analyze, and report on digital marketing analytics, support marketing and communication tasks under the guidance of the marketing and communications manager, assist with the development of executive presentations, assist with the development of digital media strategy, participate in strategy planning and campaign meetings, support interview scheduling and interview productions. Qualifications: self-motivated, self-initiated professional with a personal commitment to learning and excellence, experience managing social media and communications for healthcare companies preferred, demonstrated analytical and problem-solving skills, experience generating content for common social media platforms, proficiency with social media management tools, advanced proficiency with Microsoft Office Suite products such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Teams, superior spreadsheet skills, particularly Google Sheets, used for metric tracking, outstanding instincts for developing powerful online content that inspires and engages Think Medium's audience, ability to appreciate and contribute to work environment that values integrity, adaptability, reliability, excellence, a commitment to learning and a sense of humor, a high level of comfort engaging with colleagues and guests to gather and shape interesting stories. Strong written and verbal communication skills are required. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position or any of the jobs that we mentioned below, they're going to be right in the description below, so you can apply right away for the perfect opportunity for you. But if not, it's completely okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.